I told you guys on Friday, and it was like flat when I bought it.
What
it's
stock?
up 36% since that day.
What stock is this?
CLSK. I bought it last week, Friday. It's up 36.56%.
Wow.
I mean, this is like just like a huge. I haven't had wins like this. I mean, that's like reminds me of Express Spa. And I had.
What are you doing with it, Raz? There's a potential double top there at 26. What are you doing?
I told you I bought I told you I bought more than I wanted. So I sold 400 shares and I've kept 800.
Good.
So that's what I'm doing. As of now, I'm not going to look at it until after the new year. I'm doing a lot of that stuff where I'm not looking at stuff until after the new year, unless I have losses. GAN, again, is a thing behind the thing play, and it's been stuck at 15.16. We're now at a 19.26. I'm up technically 9.33% on it. So 9.33%. So GAN is in the green, except for my call option. But GAN, I'm still a believer in GAN, guys. I am. I mean, as online gambling goes everywhere, people are going to use GAN. It's like the online brokerage market made Benzinga grow in a big way because we can sell our data and content to more providers. GAN is the same business. It's the same business. There's gonna be more customers out there for them. So even if they're just there on the field, as long as they're there in the game, they're gonna get more customers. It's not that hard of a pick for me. It's like my Upwork play. I don't know. MMEDF. It's a small cap, but you guys keep asking me about it. I don't really trade small caps like this, guys. So I don't really have like a opinion on MindMed. It's one of those psychedelic cannabis plays, Joel. I don't like trade these ones, but if you believe psychedelics will grow in the future, then it could go. But like, I own such a small portion of it. These are, to me, sentiment stocks. Dennis likes to talk about that some stocks don't trade on valuation, and I agree. Like, and this one would be just sentiment. If people think psychedelics, you just put it on your watch list. But 4 months ago, the stock was at 50 cents, and now it's at that price. So I get scared at that kind of stuff, to be honest. So NNDM, people love it, Dennis, because Kathy Wood is long it. I own such a small amount. I don't just buy stocks exactly what Kathy Wood buys. I think people are looking for the next Tesla from Kathy Wood. I mean, this stock could do well. She owns it. I bought a little bit of it, and that's my whole story on that. All right, so into the new year, you don't have to put up all these other things. I'm going to still hold on to Curaleaf, CURLF. I have a little bit of Dash, DoorDash. I may sell it before the end of the year. I think I don't know. It was a bad buy probably. DraftKings I'm hanging on to. The ESTC, Elastic, that's up 13%. I'm definitely hanging on to Elastic. I love Elastic, ESTC. If you don't own it, I think it's a good one to own. I own a weird one, FGFPP. It's a dividend play.
Is that the one that's a huge dividend?
Yeah, it's an 8% dividend. I like some dividend plays because the market, like Dennis said it a couple days ago, guys. I think
FTP?
Nah, it's a lot more letters than that. F is in Frederick. G is in go. F is in Frederick. P is in Peter. P is in Peter.
That's a lot of letters.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a lot of letters.
Oh, it's a preferred stock.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah.
You're for the dividend.
So I own that for a dividend. It's fine. I own Five Below. I'm going to hang on to that. GAN, I for sure am holding. I'm just doing a roundup for the end of the year right now.
Yeah, sure.
GBTC. We are up 85%. ZingerNation. Pre-market prep. We are up 85%.
Go, Bitcoin. We love Bitcoin.